Welcome guys back, and today I would like to show you how I crochet this beautiful and beginner friendly hat. um, and you will not believe that I crochet this hat for just 1 hour or maybe even less. So you can wear this hat with a folded brim or as a slouchy hat. I like to wear it with folded brim, and it's super warm. For this hat I was using 7 millimeter crochet hook. Sorry, I couldn't find 7. I'm showing 6.5, but I was using 7. I put it somewhere, and I was using super bulky yarn from Lion brand, and you will need only half of this big skein. So this is a big skein of 340 grams. And as a machine cowl, I did, it's not knitting, it's also a crochet cowl. The video tutorial you can also find on my blog. Please check if you want to make this set. Uh, you're welcome, and let's get started. So to start, uh, make a slip knot and chain 34. This is actually shows how long your hat will be. So if you're using another type of yarn, just check the length of the hat you want, whether you want it to be with folded brim or without folded brim, or you want it to be to fit your hat perfectly, or you want your hat to be slouchy. So chain 34, and in the second chain from hook, starting in the second loop from the hook, make 24 single crochet, and then you slip stitch into the 25th loop. You make a slip stitch and do not crochet the last 8 chain. Now I will show you. Single crochet 24, two more, 1, 2, and slip stitch. And look, you have 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chain. So don't crochet them. Chain 1, turn. The second row, 25 single crochet through the back loop only. We'll do it a little bit faster. Just don't want to be the video too long. As I promised, you can do it within 1 hour, right? And now we are crocheting from the top to the edge, to the bottom of the hat. And we always crochet the very last stitch through both loops. Now I will show you not through the back loop only, but through both loops. Like this, we make the edge less elastic and springy. And that's how it looks. Row number 3, we go on crocheting through the back loop only, and now chain 1, turn, and single crochet, 26 single crochet, and then slip stitch. So every time we go up further for 2 stitches. Okay, you see the stitch is hiding, one stitch is hiding here. It's important, do not skip it. Okay, now one more single crochet and slip stitch in the next stitch, and you will have 6 stitches that you didn't crochet till the end. Chain 1 and turn. Row number 4, 27 single crochet through the back loop only. And do not forget, at the end, crochet the last stitch through both loops. Like this. Go until the end and the last stitch crochet through the both loops. Like this. And row number 5, chain 1, turn, 28 single crochet through the back loop only, and then slip stitch. At the end you will have 4 chain that you are not going to work in. Twenty-eight single crochet, and slip stitch. Now we'll show you again that stitch that is always hiding and that you have to pay attention not to forget this one, the next one. Okay, one more single crochet in the next stitch, the next loop, and slip stitch, and 4 unworked loops. Chain 1 and round 6. Go on crocheting single crochet through the back loop till the end of row, and the last stitch don't forget to crochet through both loops. Row number 7, chain 1 and chain 1, turn, and 30 single crochet through the back loop only, and then make a slip stitch. At the end you will have 2 loops, 2 loops that you are not going to work in. Okay, this one that is always hiding. Now one more single crochet and slip stitch. You will have only 2 loops. Chain 1, turn. This is a row number 8, single crochet, 31 single crochet through the back loop till the end, and the last one through both loops. So row number 9, chain 1, 32 single crochet through the back loop, and slip stitch into the very last loop. Go until the end. So here is almost the end of the row number 9. And the slip stitch into the very last loop. That's it. Chain 1 and row number 10, 33 single crochet through the back loop, and the last one, as you remember, but we'll say it anyway, stitch through both loops. Okay, here I repeated 10 previous rows 3 more times, so in total I joined 4 parts or have done 40 rows. So now it's time to slip stitch. So let's line up two sides like this together, and make a chain one. Now insert the hook into the front loop and underneath the chain of the first row on the other side, yarn over and pull it through both loops and stitch on the hook. And like this, go on, joining two edges to the till the very top. And underneath the chain and pull through all loops and loop on the hook underneath the chain. So from one side there is a chain and from other side there is just a stitch. So that's how it looks from the right side, and it's pretty good, and I would say it's even invisible. Eh, Go on till the top, and I will show you a little bit how to close the top till the top. Okay, I've done the main seam, and at the top you have couple more stitches, so you need to close them as well. And try to do it as neat as possible, as it will depend on how your top will look after. And the last one, and chain. Cut the yarn so like this. Turn the head right side up, and let's look at the seam. Invisible. Perfect. Now fold the brim if you want. If no, it's okay, leave it like this. And the top, look at the top, the crown. Perfect. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss my new tutorials. And if you want a matching cowl, please check my channel. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye!